Hello, I'm joined by Adrian from Scienscope, and we are here today to talk about some new systems that you're developing and brought to productronica. So please tell me more.
Yeah, it's quite interesting, and it's quite a premiere for me because I'm doing this interview at the beginning of the show.
Yes.
Usually I'm the last one in. So we have quite a new system. We have all the portfolio here from what we started in '94 with microscopes and optics. So we have 4K camera, opticals, and it's really nice because we never presented this to the clients, even if we started with this. But we also have the complete material management solution. And what's new for Europe is that we officially introduced the IMS 200. This is the incoming material station where you don't need any operator. So everything is done completely by the system, interaction with the ERP, printing the label, placing the label, everything in between.
Wow, that's fantastic. And that's not the only thing that you are bringing to productronica this time. Could you tell me a little bit more how you're staying at the forefront of test and inspection in the industry?
So basically, this year, at the beginning of the year, we released a new system for the inspection. We have the X-Ray 3000, and this is the flagship of our portfolio. It has all the axes for moving X, Y, and even rotation. And this is really helpful when you want to eliminate the shadowing on the THT components when you're doing the X-ray. And we brought it to the next level where we have SPC functions. We can integrate it with any ERP system, so then you can really have that nice traceability and the Industry 4.0 interaction.
That's fantastic. Would you like to speak a little bit more on the microscopes, the whole reason that Scienscope are who they are today?
Yeah, basically in '94 when we started the business, we started microscopes, and it was the clear, binocular. And then as the systems evolved and the technology evolved, in 2000 the components were too small, or they have the BGAs where you cannot do anything with the microscopes. So that's why we deflected and we go with capital equipment with X-ray inspection. And now, coming back to the microscopes, we have classical microscopes that are really ergonomic, where you can adjust even the height and the angle of the eye. But also we have trinoculars, so this is the binocular combined with a 4K camera, so you can see it on the screen and also with the binocular. And this is usually used in production where they are doing repair, and they also want to train other persons, and they see it on the monitor directly what the operator is doing, or just to supervise. And then there is another division where we have just the 4K camera on the screen. It's really nice with a lot of integrated functions, like measuring and making the lines parallel. So you even inserting text, taking videos directly from the camera, so you don't need any PC.
Fantastic, and I think that really allows for accountability within companies. If there's another person watching over, you can see exactly what's going on.
We have one client where you can see 10 repair lines with the trinocular, and the monitor is not in front of the operator, is 1 meter up. And then when the line manager or the line planner is coming, he can see everyone is working and how good they are working.
Wow, that's fantastic. Well, I hope for a successful productronica for you.
Yeah, I'm really hoping it will be really nice because, like I said, we had a lot of products. And coming back to the material management, we have the IMS 200 that is a flagship and it's a unique system on the market. But we also brought a new system that is called Smart Track for stencils. So basically this is enabling you to have full control of your products, of your stencils, and the cleanliness of the stencils, because every position has a sensor that will detect when you put in or when you take out the stencil. You have interaction with cleaning equipment, and we have integrations, and you can see it on our booth with the DCT guys, where our Smart Rack for stencils is connected directly with their cleaning equipment. So if you take out a stencil from our rack and you want to put it back in, you will not be allowed until the cleaning equipment will flag it that it was clean. So in this way, you can really ensure the quality of your products and the quality of the cleanliness of the stencils.
That's fantastic. Great technology, and as I say, I hope it's a successful show for you. I'd like to see your stand very soon. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Thanks.